So in this video you're going to learn how to make a WordPress blog tutorial for beginners. So before I begin, guys, my name is Yavar Khan. I make a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews, and how to build an online brand. So please consider subscribing, and also if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you, so stay tuned. So guys, let's begin. Okay, creating a website is really easy. So these are the simple steps which we are going to need. You need to pick a domain. So for me it's gonna be yavarkhan.com. Then we are going to install WordPress. Then we are going to install a free theme, and voila guys, you would be done. Okay, so this would take only 2 minutes. It's not that complicated, it's really easy, and once you start your blog you could start making a lot of money, and I'm gonna show you how. Okay, so guys, let's begin. So first thing, we are going to go to Bluehost, one of the best web hosting for WordPress. The link down below for 70% discount. So once you start, click over here. Okay, select the recommended, select this, fill in your information. So all you have to do is select, put in your domain. I have already purchased my domain, so put in your domain over here and then fill out all your information. Select 12 months, do this, and just put on your credit card details and submit. Once you do that, you'll get your come to login, and then all you have to do is, once you're in your Bluehost dashboard, so what you have done right now is you have picked a domain. You'll install WordPress right now. So now once you're in your dashboard, click on my site, create a site. So I'm gonna call it, this is your site name. Okay, so this would be my vlog, my life experience. Okay, click on next. Okay, you don't have to install any of these things, and then just click on next. It's not gonna install, I think, because I think so I have Yavar Khan already there, because if you see I have yavarkhan.com. So I'm just gonna write test 1. Okay, so see I already have yavarkhan.com, so it's not letting me create, but I'm just gonna do that. So now once this is done, usually it takes like 1 minute, so just hold on tight, not even 1 minute, like 3 seconds, and congratulations guys, this is how you install WordPress. Once you do this thing, you just have to click on login to WordPress. And the best thing about Bluehost is you don't even have to remember passwords. You just have to remember one password and you can log into your website. So now as you could see, your website's ready. Okay, so now the first things what we are going to do is, for SEO, really important, click on settings, click on permalinks. Once you're over here, click on post name, this one. The reason we are doing this is for SEO purposes, because right now it shows some number. We need to show the keyword. So click save changes. That is the first step. The second step is come on coming soon active, and just launch your site. Okay, just launch your site, because right now Bluehost, what it does is it puts a coming soon page on your website, but once you launch your website, you could see your website and the whole world could see, and Google would start indexing it. Now once that's done, we're going to do your first post. So posting is really easy. First post, so you can write your title over here, this is your keyword. Okay, and your description. Okay, just put in your description, and congratulations guys, this is how you create your blog, and this is your first post. Now once this is published, all you have to do is view post. You could do it from here as well, view site, and this is your first post. Now let's add a theme to it. So for me, I would add this theme, come on appearance, themes. Okay, and just I would search add new. I'm just gonna do Nico, type Nico over here. So this is a really good theme. Okay, once everything is loaded, I'm gonna do Nico portfolio. Okay, just install now. It looks really good. Now I'm just gonna click on activate. Once this is activated, it's gonna go on my website. So this is how my blog looks, and really amazing. Okay, so if you want to remove any of these things, these are called widgets. So remove the widgets, come back to your dashboard, click on appearance, click on widgets. just push everything around and just refresh the page. Come over here, refresh the page. As you could see, everything is done. Again, come over here, remove this, remove this. Just refresh the page, refresh over here as well. Everything is removed. Now what I'll do is, if you want to add an image to your post, all you have to do is click over here, edit the post, and set feature image, upload an image. I'm just gonna upload some random image. Downloads, come here, I'm just gonna upload this one or this one. Just gonna go open. Okay, so make sure you don't, so this is a very high resolution with a lot of storage, so make sure you use an image which is compressed. So currently I think so it's 3-4 MB, so making sure it's really less, like in KBs. Do that. Really important thing, put your keyword over here if you're blogging, because this is what Google sees. Google doesn't have eyes, it has spiders. Okay, so basically they crawl your website and they would come to know only if you write keywords everywhere. So the more keywords are on your website, the more it has chances to rank. But also make sure that you don't overdo it. So just type your keyword over here. Okay, set feature image, update. Once I go back to my website again, so as you could see, it looks really good. So you could fill in a lot of things. I think so I did one website as well called yoga as a sample website to show to my student. So yeah, something like this. So you can write something really good. So let's say this. So what you have to do is, so let's say you're starting your blog, and the most important thing about blog is you need to get traffic to your website. So the best thing to get traffic to your website is this thing called BuzzSumo. So basically what it does is it finds the best content around the world and shows it to you. It's a free thing, you can just search in. So if I want to search about hair, okay, I'll type in over here, it will find me the best things about hair. So you could magic pet hair catch, washing machine flower. You could see this. Imagine this is shared 1.3 million times. You could do the same. Okay, whatever is relating to your blog, write it over here. If you're doing makeup, write makeup over here. Find the most viral content, write something similar and share it on Facebook. So imagine this is getting shared 1.4 million times, and if you write something similar, that would share at least 1,000 times. And imagine 1,000 times, you get a lot of followers, and people will come to your blog. So guys, this is it guys. I don't want to make it more complicated, and if you find this video really helpful, guys, please consider subscribing. This is my link. Please click over here, like the video and comment, and I would see you in the next video. But guys, before I forget, I have a free bonus for you guys. So I have created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. It's step-by-step instructions to use the best theme, the best SEO plugin, the best security plugin, the best of everything. Make your website rank #1 in Google. So the link down below, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.